Good morning, YouTube friends and fans. Just thought I would share a little bit of the good life with you, and then we'll go to some disappointment here in a second. As you can tell, it's rained here. So, anyhow, my local township has gotten creative this past week. Let me take you over here and show you what's going on. You can see all the dirt's been moved. They put in an extension on the culvert under the road, which is comical because it does flood here. I'll link you the video here in a second. So, nobody respects flooding across the road. As you can see behind the trees, the water's built up trying to get through the culvert. If you see, they really dug this out. And it's going to be hard for you to tell, but this is what the rest of the ditch looks like. Now, granted, it'll help it flow, but it's not going to fix the problem. And what they were trying to do was stop the runoff of the road. All this water that comes from way over there. There's a couple thousand acres here that literally drain to this point, and then it creates the ditch. Let me take you the other side of the road here. This is the most comical part of the whole thing. So, used to be a hole, and the culvert come out over here. Now, I've got a flat drain, and guess what? Wait till it rains again. I'm going to have a flooding like none other. So, I'll upload that video the next time it really rains, and we will share that. So, stay tuned. Don't forget to subscribe, and I will bring you the content when it becomes available. It's hard for you to see, but one little tidbit out there, that little dark spot there, this used to, with the culvert that was there, would create a whirlpool effect, and it literally has like a 2 to 3 foot hole out there because of all this land would drain. The high point is that tower clear off in the distance. That's well over a mile away. So, anyhow, this spot, they believe, you gotta love an engineer, they think just because you made it flat, this is gonna solve the problem. I told them they needed 2 pipes, not to do this. We'll see where we end up. Like I said, stay tuned.